Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about some big update from the world of economy. The International Monetary Fund IMF has just released a new report and it is not looking too good for the global economy in 2025. So what's happening and why is the forecast getting worse? Let's break down in simple terms. Global growth take a hit. The IMF has cut its global growth forecast for 2025 from 3.3% to just 2.8%. That's a major drop and the lowest expected growth since the COVID pandemic. One of the main reasons rising trade tension, especially due to President Donald Trump's new tariff policy, trade wars and tariff. Trump recently announced universal tariff on almost all US trading partners. This means more tax on goods being imported and exported, and that's making things more expensive and slowing down trade worldwide. According to the IMF, these are the highest US tariff in 100 years. As what about the US economy? The US is not safe either. Its growth forecast is down for 2.8% in 2024 to just 1.8% in 2025, and inflation that expected to go up to from earlier estimate of 2% to 3% in 2025. This means things are going to get more expensive for everyday Americans. Other countries affected to China growth cut to 4% due to dependence on export. Germany predicted to see 0% growth in 2025. UK down to 1.1% growth. Japan just 0.6% growth expected. Mexico was hit with a project minus 0.3% growth. Basically, it's shrinking economy. What is the IMF saying? The IMF is top economist Pierre Oliver Granches says the world is entering a new era where the old global economic system is being raised. That's there's too much uncertainty in global trade and is making investors nervous and slowing things down. Recession risk. No global recession is predicted just yet, but the chances of a US downturn have increased from 25% to 37%. So it definitely something to watch. The message from the IMF is DR is clear. Global cooperation is critical. Without it, growth will stay slow, inflation will stay high, and trade will become more expensive and confusing. So what do you think about the global economic slowdown? Is the world heading toward a bigger crisis, or can leader turn things around in time? Let us know in the comments. Do not